population is growing. Estimated 9 billion people by the year of 2050. And people need food every day. The need for food is continuously rising, along with the increasing population. Climate change has caused crop harvest failures in many regions. The conversion of productive agricultural land also contributed to decreasing the world's food supply. This will be a serious problem for the world in providing sufficient food. Moreover, food sources in other parts of the world are competing with other uses such as feed and energy. Today, the world uses limited type of commodities as staple food resources such as wheat, rice, potato, and corn. In fact, there are many commodities as carbohydrate sources. In Indonesia, there are more than 40 species of crops can be consumed as source of carbohydrate. One of these commodities is sago. Sago is the most productive starchy crop in the world. Sago could grow and harvested up to decades once it is planted. Sago land is around 2.25 million hectare in the world, and 1.25 million hectare lies in Indonesia, spread from Papua, Maluku, Sulawesi, Kalimantan to Sumatra, with more than 60 of species, the largest in the world. If properly cultivated, sago can produce 25 tons of dry starch per hectare per year, above the average rice and corn yield. With this capacity, the potential Indonesian reserved carbohydrate is around 35 million ton dry starches per year. This will not meet only the needs of 230 million people of Indonesia, but also the worldwide. Indonesia currently begins to utilize sago through both conventional and modern ways. Good sago cultivation techniques are being developed. Various breeding and cultivation technological innovations have been developed to increase utilization of sago for food. Indonesian Palm Research Institute, within Indonesian Agency for Agricultural Research and Development, has released superior sago varieties that could produce up to 250 kilos of starch per tree. People in Papua and Maluku still maintain traditional sago processing for their daily diet nowadays. However, some private companies have started to develop more modern cultivation and processing of sago in industrial scale for higher economic value products. Sago starch is used as raw material for processed foods such as noodles, cookies, low-calorie sugar, and others. Sago starch contains fiber and carbohydrate and also contains phenolic, lignin, and hydrogel, which act as antimicrobial and antioxidant, so it can be promoted as functional food. Tree bark of sago waste can still be utilized for house materials. Sago plantations may also play an important role in the prevention of global environment against the greenhouse effect. Therefore, sago not only contribute for the world's food supplies, but also save the human livelihood. We need to minimize sago land conversion for residential and industrial purposes.